we still want to hang on to the element of surprise. For this, we use a new accessory from Corner Shot. For a covert weapon, this is the cat's meow. It's the double take that gets you killed every time. It's so cute, so cuddly, so deadly. Meet Kitty Corner Shot.
Now, what we have here, it's a kitty corner shot. We can cock the kitty here, and then you can shoot.
Are you kidding?
We need 1 second of surprise. We need 1 second of surprise, because we would want that the enemy will not understand what he see, and then give us the chance to observe, to see, and to decide what to do. And as I show you, one cock.
Wow. So, worst case scenario, you're talking about a stuffed animal, right? Just sitting there by the corner, right? That's the worst case scenario. Best case scenario is they buy in, right? So you're sitting there, you're in a good position down here. You're watching. Like, I can clearly see your foot. Matter of fact, do me a favor, back up about 15 feet.
Okay.
That's great, right there, perfect. If I see you look at me, right, it catches you by surprise, boom.
This is what I need. This 1 second, what I need.
This is definitely, you don't see this every day, I'll tell you that.
I hope so that you don't have cats like this in your neighborhood.
Yeah, I don't want a cat that can actually blow my head off. All right, fantastic.
Good cat.
You're always trying to think of new ways to be able to save the soldier's life, right?
This is exactly what we have to do. To take our experience, to take future technology, and to try to make a solution to help the good guys that are working now.
And it's all about gaining the advantage of surprise, right?
Always, always. Ask the kid.
Ooh, good kitty, good kitty. The kitty can be used on 9mm, 5.56mm, and 7.62mm AK corner shot variants. The cat's back legs cover up the weapon's bipod. The inspiration came from an actual Israeli Special Operations mission. I think we've demonstrated just how effective it can be. The kitty holds the guard's attention for just long enough to freeze him in our sights. The covert bit of our mission is over. It's time to beat feet. We need transport, something big, bad, and bulletproof. Thankfully, the bad guys have just the thing. Time to take their wheels. We use the Tavors to put down suppressive fire until we're out of range. Time to get to our rendezvous point and link up with the evac helo. With an array of new Israeli weapons and technology, we've managed to covertly infiltrate an enemy base. They might have had more guys and guns, but our future weapons enabled us to save the day and whisk the hostages to freedom. There's nothing quite like rescuing damsels in distress. Our story in Israel ends, but the future weapons mission is never over.